Chapter 16, Part 3. We're going to look at using the future tense now with words like quand, lorsque, aussitôt, and dès que. These are time words, and so the tense can be very important. So quand and its almost exact synonym, lorsque, means when. And so whenever we see lorsque, just think quand and it'll work fine. Uh, then we've got two expressions, aussitôt, as soon as, and dès que, which both mean as soon as. Now notice that dès has an accent mark on. And when you see the accent mark going that way, that means that it's a time word, kind of indicating the beginning of something. So that's very different than DES, which is the plural of and une, or DES, which is the plural of de plus les. Now, in English, we often use the present after these expressions, even when whatever it's talking about is in the future. In French, we need to use a future tense for the future. Here we have a sentence. Lis ce livre quand tu auras le temps. So lis ce livre, that's the imperative. Read this book, quand tu auras le temps, when you will have the time. Now, but we wouldn't say read this book when you will have the time. We would say read this book when you have time. We would use the present tense even though we're talking about something in the future. In French, you've got to use the future tense because it's in the future. So we're going to see the future tense much more often in French than we do in English. So here's some more examples. Lorsqu'il terminera le livre, il sera fatigué. So lorsque is when. When he will finish the book, he will be tired. But we won't say when he will finish the book. We would say when he finishes the book, he will be tired. So we change the present to the present. We change the future to the present in English for these expressions. Dès que, that's the as soon as expression. Dès que vous comprendrez cette leçon, vous serez maître de la langue française. So as soon as you, and here's the future of comprendre, as soon as you will understand this lesson, you will be the future of the irregular verb être, vous serez, master of the French language. As soon as you understand this lesson, you will be a master of the French language. So we use a present for the first one and future for the second one. So practice translating these sentences and making them smooth. Write down your answers and check them on the next video.